The struggle. They don't know about struggle. When times get hard, they gon' teach you how to hustle.
What's going on, gang? We back in this thing. It's your boy A1 Steel. And we new to the channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man, and join the Boss Lifestyle gang. Say, a couple days ago, man, I had some shit going on that with my bike that I really should have put online and I should have recorded today, but my belt broke one day. I was riding to the shop and the belt broke on it, so had to order the belt. I should have whipped out the camera that day because it was one of them days. It was actually one of them days that damn mosquito flying here. It was one of them days that, man, I should have just really caught that situation, because a lot of stuff happened that day. But we right now finna change this belt on this thing, man. I'll show y'all, man. We got the bike in here. Y'all see? I already took some belts, then took some bolts. So all the undercarriage bolts, all those bolts is you see that one. Some around the sides, this one. Had to take the breather off and all that, so I'm still I got one more bolt to take off. You know, I had to come pull the camera and show y'all, give y'all some of this footage of me working on the bike. So I'm gonna set the camera up and let y'all see what's going on. Oh, you don't. I can't get it to Roblox to work. Gotta play some else. So, like I said, back down here. Back down and dirty. Get this shit together. That's one thing I gotta do. I gotta be careful about pulling this off, because one thing you do not want to do is fuck the spring up that's in here. It's already stretched out, so I just want to be able to pop it. Yeah, it's like this, you know. Just give it a little room, man. Inside of that thing, boy, that belt just went to tearing up in that thing. Whole belt destroyed. I need to find something to put down here. Hold on, gang. Find a bag or something. see that it's all tore up in that thing right there, man. Like, literally tore up. Get this shit together, man. Sit y'all back up. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. PVC. Had to clean all that. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this light back on here. Put the clean it up some. It was all stuck off in the crevices and stuff right there. I cleaned up as much as I could because I'm in the house. I could be spraying it, and I sprayed with the duster and dust all that shit out. But y'all see what's going on. Yeah. Let's put this bed on this thing. Sit back, what y'all see. Alright, gang, we back, man. It's the next day. I had to actually go and try to figure out to the place to actually figure out if it was the right boat, meaning the right belt or not. And we did get the right belt. So I had to look online, go search and see, figure out how to put it on. So I guess I found a way to put it on. So we finna get back to work. See if I can show y'all. What we can show y'all. Lights and stuff in here dim and shit. I need to brighten it up a little bit for y'all. Let's see. Okay, I'm finna bust it down for y'all, man, so y'all can see what's going on. Mess with it. Matter of fact, I'm tap back in. Let me go get this light. Alright, gang, we back. Let's see if I can. There we go. Yep, so see, I should be able to see everything. Yeah. Girl, I'm in here vlogging. She just come right on off in here. Like, what's wrong with them, y'all? What's wrong with the kids? Zaza, turn it off. Gang, we got all the bolts. Awesome.
Get that bike! Get that bike!
Ja, I'll just tell you, she does not listen, gang, at all.
Get a horse! Get a horse!
Hey,
Huh?
get out of here.
Yeah.
Alright, gang, I gotta
Get that bike.
sit back, get back. this pulley, gang. Squeeze this pulley. And have this goes over this way. So. Bang! Bang! Alright, gang. I got it on. Let's see, back out. I got the belt on. Now I'm gonna tell you how I had to do it. I had to call my son in here. I had to call my son in here and had him because pulling this tensioner back like how y'all see me doing it, there was no way you could do it by yourself. If you did, you're not special not with a new belt. So I had to squeeze this tensioner and had him put it over here. Once he put it over here, I took the flathead screwdriver and put it in one of the grooves like this and spent it. So when it was on top of it, it spent and spent until it got locked on there. So y'all see, if y'all ever have a problem with your belt or whatever, to put the belt on, you gotta squeeze the tensioner. Now they was gonna try to charge me $95. They were gonna charge me $95 to do this. And it's good to be your own mechanic or just look it up and stuff like that, because you'll be able to do this yourself, literally. So I spent they wanted $75 for the belt. I ended up going on Amazon, finding the belt for $20, finding the belt for $20. So y'all go on Amazon, find the belt. Don't go to your local place, bike place or nothing, because they're gonna tax you. And you can do it yourself, man. Just check out my videos. There's other videos up, you know what I'm saying, to how to put this belt on. So to show y'all again that the belt is on, it's tight, you know, we good, you know, everything's straight. I'm gonna crank it back up, I'm gonna put it all back, assemble it all back, you know, so y'all see it all go back together or whatever, you know. So once I get it all back together, we're gonna crank it up and show y'all and see if we can go down the road in it. If y'all new to this channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. If y'all like any other things like this, again, man, y'all make sure y'all tap in. Look, I always gonna have some stuff on this type of build right here, man. So because I got the bike, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of other stuff. So man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna tap back with y'all when I get this thing on.
When times get hard, they gon' teach you how to hustle. The struggle. They don't know about struggle.